Save time money. 15-pack of bento boxes features 1 compartments in 1 container. Each meal prep container can store a total of 28 ounces, which are the perfectly portion controlled to stay full, yet fit and healthy. Healthy meal everywhere. Featuring food storage containers with portion control to help keep your meal prep plan and lose weight. These plastic containers can also be used as school lunchbox or last night's dinner. Premium quality design. Most meal prep containers don't last for a long time. They crack after a few uses or melt in microwave. Not Freshware. Our heavy-duty lunch containers are built to be more strong and reusable than our competitors. Microwave, dishwasher and freezer safe. Made of the highest quality food-safe materials, these bento box can withstand temperatures from -40°C to +120°C, -40°F to 250°F. So enjoy without worry about harmful chemicals leaking into your food. Satisfaction guarantee. Freshware food containers are meant to help you eat healthier and save money by cooking at home. In the unlikely case that your containers are not perfect for you, just send them back for a full refund or replacement. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to trap bugs in. I bought these to place outside by my vegetables. I place some soap water in them. And boom, it traps many squash bugs and other insects that harm my plants. Also, a toad in my gardens loves swimming in these. I know these are food originally, but they work great to trap bugs and feed toads.